Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Rubella IgM ELISA test kit. This is how the box looks like. Just go around the box. Let's see the box here. Top and so about the bottom. This is how it goes. It's Calbiotech Rubella IgM ELISA test kit. It's the 96 well plate. You can see the reference part number and also the lot number, a standard manufacturing date and the expiry period. On a standard, it has 2 to 8 degree temperature. It's IVD certified product. It's manufactured in the US. Just unbox this for you. Here you go. Inside the box, there is one IFE brochure. You can see it says Calbiotech Rubella IgM ELISA 96 well. The intended use. The Calbiotech Rubella IgM ELISA kit is intended for the detection of IgM antibody to rubella in human serum or plasma. This is a complete IFE brochure which has the complete instructions for the assay procedure, and you get the interpretation of test results, and you have the complete details to conduct your test. Okay, here you go. Okay, then you get one certificate of analysis. Where is this? You can see the certificate of analysis. You can see. Okay, it says Calbiotech Rubella ELISA. In the key contents inside is also listed here. It's microwells coated with rubella antigen and sample diluent 1 bottle, calibrator 1 vial, positive control 1 vial, negative control 1 vial, and you get the enzyme conjugate 1 bottle and TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate 20x 1 bottle. I'm just putting it here, and here you can see there is one 96 well plate. Just take this out and keep it here. It says rubella coated wells. You can see the reference and lot number and also the expiry period. And this is well. And inside you have the different solutions. I'll just quickly go through this. Okay, 1 second. Here you can see it is wash concentrate 20x 25 ml bottle. You can see the lot number and also the expiry period and the temperature range. Just putting it back. I'll take this other one. This is IgM sample diluent. You can see the details, 22 ml bottle. Put it back. And then you get this white bottle, which is stop solution, and you can see it is 12 ml bottle. I'm putting it back. And then you get TMB substrate bottle 12 ml, and you can see the lot number and the reference and also the expiry period, longer expiry, this 2 to 8. Putting it back. And this one at the top is enzyme conjugate 2 to 8. You can see it's 12 ml bottle. I'm putting it back. And then this blue top you can see it's Rubella IgM negative control 1 ml. Rubella IgM. Okay, Rubella IgM. You can see negative control. Putting it back. Then I'm taking the other one. You can see the Rubella IgM calibrator. You can see that. I'm putting it back. And then it is okay. I'm putting it this way. Okay, you say it's Rubella IgM positive control 1 ml. I'm putting it back. Okay, today we are seeing the unboxing of Calbiotech Rubella IgM ELISA test kit. In the test kit, in the complete test kit, you get an IFE brochure and one certificate of analysis and one the 96 well plate, and you have different solutions. In that, you get one sample diluent 1 bottle and calibrator 1 vial and positive control 1 vial, negative control 1 vial, and you get enzyme conjugate and you get a TMB substrate, stop solution, wash concentrate. This is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.